So today I'm going to make taco chicken. Now remember, I'm at the mercy of the ingredients that are in my fridge and my pantry, and I haven't been to the grocery store in 2 weeks, so let's see what we've got. Here we go. Found some leftover chicken and some pico I just made yesterday. Some cilantro, some cheese. Now this isn't the cheese I would ideally use. This is Italian cheese, but it will work. Cumin, salt and pepper, garlic salt. Ideally, I would love to have sour cream and tortilla chips, but I don't. If I did, I would use those and I would make a taco chicken, but I'm going to make it without and see how it goes. Now this is a meal prep, so I have my container ready and I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. I'm going to take my chicken and slice it up into bite-sized chunks. Well, I just looked in the fridge one more time and I was able to find some black beans. So I'm going to use these up. I'm going to pour a little bit of filtered water in here just to keep this from drying out. Take my cumin, put a generous amount on there. Garlic salt. Salt and pepper. Now I'm going to stir this up. Now you can put peppers in here if you like hot peppers. I'm going to put the black beans in next. My oven is already preheated, so that's good. What I'm going to do next is put this in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, we're ready to take this out of the oven. This is what we've got. Looks good. Now I'm going to take my cheese. I'm going to sprinkle this on top generously. Now I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes or until the cheese is melted. Okay, now it's time to see what we have. Ooh. Look at that sizzle. That looks delicious. Now I'm going to take my pico and I'm just going to drizzle it here on top. This is best served cold here. You can use salsa if you have that. Now I'm going to take my cilantro and just sprinkle it on. If you have fresh cilantro, that's even better. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. Just a little. And there you have it. Ooh, look at that. Now, like I said earlier, you can use hot peppers, you can put chili powder in it, you can even dip tortilla chips in this. and that would be really delicious. I don't have any tortilla chips right now because somebody ate all of them, but on my next trip to the store, I'll have to pick some up.